What does Matthew McConaughey, Kate Hudson, and Sting have in common? Besides being icons in their fields, they all swear by the benefits of stretching. As entertainers, their lives are filled with grueling schedules and physical demands, and keeping their muscles loose is a must. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a celebrity to reap the rewards of stretching. Let's face it, our daily lives are no less stressful. Whether you're grinding through work, juggling school responsibilities, or simply managing the everyday hustle, your body deserves a break. And that's where these 5 incredible stretches come in. Whether you're a 20-something college student or 70 years young looking to stay agile and independent, these exercises are for everyone. What if I told you that in just 15 minutes a day, you could feel lighter, more flexible, and ready to take on anything life throws at you? No more stiffness, no more tension, just a body that moves like it's meant to. Sounds good, right? Let's dive into the magic of stretching. 5 powerful moves designed to release stress, improve posture, and boost your energy in record time. Combine all 5 for true tension release. Why stretching should be your new best friend. Before we get into the stretches, let's set the stage. Stretching isn't just for yogis or athletes. It's a secret weapon for anyone looking to counteract the stiffness and tension that builds up over time. Think of it as hitting the reset button on your body. Regular stretching improves your posture, reduces the risk of injury, and even helps with stress relief. It's like a spa day for your muscles, minus the hefty price tag. Ready? Roll out your mat, put on some calming music, and let's get started. 1. The cat-cow stretch. If your back could talk, it would beg you to do this stretch every day. The cat-cow stretch is the ultimate tension reliever for your back, shoulders, and neck, areas that often bear the brunt of our daily grind. Start on all 4s with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your head and tailbone, cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine, cat pose. Repeat this movement slowly, syncing it with your breath. Benefits. The cat-cow stretch improves posture and flexibility in the spine while easing tension in the shoulders and neck. It also promotes better breathing and reduces stress. After a few cycles, you'll feel like you've hit the reset button on your entire day. 2. The butterfly stretch. Our hips carry more tension than a bad drama plot. The butterfly stretch is here to save the day, loosening those tight inner thighs and hips while improving your posture. Sit on the floor with your back straight. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Hold your feet with your hands and gently press your knees towards the floor. To deepen the stretch, hinge forward slightly from your hips while keeping your back straight. Benefits. This stretch increases flexibility in the hips and inner thighs, reducing the risk of injury during daily activities. It's also fantastic for improving your overall posture and making long hours of sitting less punishing. Feeling stiff from head to toe? The supine twist is like hitting the refresh button on your shoulders, spine, and hips all at once. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Bring your right knee towards your chest and guide it across your body with your left hand. Extend your right arm out to the side and look towards your right hand. Hold for 1 minute, then switch sides. This twist helps relieve tension and stiffness in the spine, shoulders, and hips. It also aids digestion and improves circulation, leaving you feeling rejuvenated. When was the last time you gave your calves some love? These hard-working muscles deserve a moment in the spotlight. Enter the calf stretch. Stand facing a wall and place your hands on it at shoulder height. Step your right foot back, keeping your heel on the ground and your back leg straight. Bend your front knee slightly and lean into the wall until you feel a stretch in your back calf. Hold for 1 minute, then switch sides. This stretch improves ankle mobility, reduces the risk of injuries, and refreshes tired legs. If you're on your feet all day or love a good run, this one's a must. The child's pose isn't just a stretch, it's a sanctuary. Perfect for decompressing your spine and promoting relaxation, it's the cherry on top of this routine. How to do it. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Lower your torso forward, stretching your arms out in front of you or placing them alongside your body. Rest your forehead on the floor and breathe deeply. This pose decompresses the spine, opens the hips, and promotes relaxation. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day or even in the middle of a stressful one. If you want to keep your muscles loose and prevent stiffness beyond stretching, there are several effective methods to add to your routine. These techniques promote flexibility, relaxation, and overall well-being. 1. Hydrate properly. Dehydrated muscles are more prone to stiffness and cramping. Drinking enough water ensures that your muscles stay lubricated and function optimally. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily and consider adding electrolytes if you sweat a lot during physical activity. 2. Foam rolling. Foam rolling helps release tension in the fascia, which is the connective tissue surrounding your muscles. This improves circulation and reduces knots or tight spots. Spend 1 to 2 minutes on each major muscle group, especially your back, thighs, and calves. Yoga or Pilates can be game changers for muscle relaxation. Both practices combine stretching with strength and balance exercises, targeting multiple muscle groups and improving overall mobility. Consider incorporating yoga poses like downward dog or Pilates movements like the spine stretch for full body engagement. Active recovery is another great way to keep your muscles in good shape. Light activities like walking, swimming, or cycling keep blood flowing and prevent muscles from becoming too stiff after intense workouts. Aim for low-intensity movements for 20 to 30 minutes on recovery days. Proper posture. Sitting or standing improperly can strain your muscles, leading to tension over time. Use ergonomic chairs, adjust your workstation, and take breaks to avoid staying in the same position for too long. Deep breathing and relaxation techniques. Stress can cause muscles to tighten. Breathing exercises and mindfulness practices reduce stress and relax the body. Try diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, let your belly rise, and exhale slowly. Strength training. Strengthening muscles helps support joints and reduces the likelihood of tension from overuse or underuse. Incorporate exercises that target major muscle groups 2 to 3 times a week with proper form to avoid injury. Cold therapy. Applying cold packs or ice baths reduces inflammation and soothes sore muscles, especially after intense activities. Use ice packs wrapped in a cloth for 10 to 15 minutes on stiff or sore areas. Proper sleep. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, reducing muscle fatigue and tension. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Balanced nutrition. Proper nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and protein help maintain muscle function and repair. Eat foods like bananas, nuts, leafy greens, lean meats, and fish to support muscle health. By combining these practices with regular stretching, you'll create a well-rounded routine that keeps your muscles loose, reduces discomfort, and enhances your overall mobility. Let me know if you'd like a deeper dive into any of these methods. Stretching is like flossing for your muscles. Doing it once in a blue moon won't cut it. But a daily 15-minute commitment, that's where the magic happens. Over time, you'll notice improved posture, greater mobility, and a general sense of well-being. Plus, consistent stretching helps counteract the strain that builds up from daily activities, making life's movements smoother and more enjoyable. Why not make this a daily ritual? Subscribe to the journey of flexibility and well-being. Whether it's setting a reminder on your phone or stretching during your favorite show, small steps lead to big changes. Start today, and let's see how much better you can feel in just a week.